making a paper fan. So that's what it looks like, the end result. So let's get on with it. So you will need a piece of printer paper, a roll of sticky tape, and a ruler. So put the roll of sticky tape to the side and put your ruler on and bring the paper up to the edge of the ruler. If you need a bit more space, just pull the ruler up a bit, like that. Then flip over the paper and do the same thing. So just flip it over and make sure you inline it, like that. And then flip the paper over again and just fold it back like that and put it down. So it's like that. Then flip the model over and keep doing that a couple of times till you get to the edge. Try and be as neat as possible. Flip it over. Once you're done, just slide the ruler off. And there you've got that. So now you bring one side of the bottom edges and bring it up to make a strong handle. And then grab a bit of sticky tape and just wrap it around it so you get a strong handle. Wrap it around so you get a strong handle. So there you've got the handle. Now you can just spread the fan out a bit. So it's like that. So that's how to make a paper fan. Thanks for watching.